In today's lesson, we're going to estimate two decimals by using a benchmark, so it makes it easier to add them. So if we have a problem that says estimate the decimal sum by using a decimal benchmark, and here we have the two numbers 1.72 plus 1.02. So we need to estimate by using a benchmark. And how do you do that? First, find the benchmark for each number. Okay, so let's start with 1.72. 1.72 is between 1.5 and 1.75. It is closer to 1.75, so this is our benchmark. Now let's look at 1.02. 1.02 is between 1 and 1.25. It is closer to 1, so 1 is our benchmark for 1.02. Now we add the benchmarks so we could get the estimate of what this addition is. So what we do is we add 1.75 plus 1, and that equals 2.75. 1.71 plus 1 is 2.75. So the final answer, 1.72 plus 1.02, is about 2.75. And it's actually very close to the real answer. So this is how you could do decimal additions in your head in the future. If you don't get that right away, just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You can do this. As well, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there with a link that'll take you right to this video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.